I be having these little stray hairs and they just get so annoying. Oh, hey guys. What's up? What's going on? How you been? What? You missed me too? I am so flattered. What's up, you guys? What's up? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit that bell button as well. That way you can get notified anytime I drop a video. And you guys, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching all of my videos. Thank you for being here. I love you. Let's go. Today I am going to do at-home microdermabrasion. Okay? Microdermabrasion. Girl, get it together. Look, we're about to fix this skin at home. Okay? That's what we're doing. I am so excited because I got my hands on the PMD clinical grade vacuum for my skin. And this is what it looks like. Hold up. Okay, so first off, I was saying a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, so I decided to cut that out. But there's a whole bunch of legal shit that I gotta let y'all know before I can move on. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I need to let you guys know that I received this product complimentary from PMD and Octoly. So now that that's stated, we can move on. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before. If not, where you living, where you been. I have wanted it for actually several years now. I used to get my skin done by the pros a long time ago. Right now we're in COVID times. So anyway, you guys, I wanted to show you guys how I use this, and this is going to be like a two-part video because I want to do a follow-up. I didn't want to do follow-ups in between and just make this a super long video, so I'm breaking it down to me using it for the first time, which is what you're going to get today, and then I'm going to have a follow-up video after I've used it for 8 to 12 times, and that way we can kind of talk about my skin and talk about my experience and maybe the different tools or discs that I use with the PMD Microdermabrasion machine. So before we jump into this video, there's a few things that I want to note about the device. Most important, and of course the one that I'm not going to follow because I'm a G, I'm a rebel. It's in my name. I just have to do things differently, right? Start with the white training disc. The white training disc is ultra sensitive. It's super sensitive for the most sensitive of sensitive skins. Look, I don't have sensitive skin, so I'm going to jump into it. And the whole purpose of this is for you guys to see my results, for me to see some results. And I don't want to build myself up to it because it's going to take me a while. However, for you, if you're unfamiliar with your skin, if you don't know whether you're sensitive or you're not sensitive, I highly suggest not skipping the white disc that comes in the device. Do you understand? Keep that disc in. Use that disc. And first, test it on your arm. 2, replace the disc every 3 to 4 uses, okay? Because the crystals, the aluminum oxide crystals that are on the disc are getting worn down every time you use them. And plus 2, your skin cells, all of the old dirty skin cells are on them, so you want to kind of refresh those tools, right? And not use the same tools over and over again. Of course, we would like to because who wants to spend coins? But you have to, especially with your skin. It's very important. 3, I wanted to tell you guys the benefits of the aluminum oxide crystals that are on the disc that is actually rubbing against your skin. 1, it's hypoallergenic. I can't speak. It is hypoallergenic. 2, antibacterial. So it's very clean. It's very good for your skin. Non-airborne. So I'm assuming when it says non-airborne, it just kind of means that it vacuums and sucks those dead, nasty skin cells onto the disc and it just stays there, so they're not floating and flying all over the place, right? And I'm sorry if it is not focusing. I'm not sure what's happening here. But anyway. Number 4 is customizable, meaning that if you have sensitive skin, use the sensitive disc, right? Less crystals, I'm assuming. And if you have skin that is tough and rough like nails, right here, perfect example, you can go all in, baby. Okay, go all in. There are very different levels. You have, like I said, the very ultra sensitive, and then you have very intense. And the discs are color coded, so if you are looking to purchase them, you can definitely go to their website and you can see the different color discs, the different sensitivities, and you'll be able to choose which disc is correct or right for you. Another thing I wanted to note, it comes with 2 different size discs. This disc is what you would use for your face, and this disc is what you would use for your body. You want to always do this on very clean and dry skin. You want to practice on your arm before you begin. You want to watch the video, watch the official video so you know exactly what you're doing. Pull your skin tight, you guys. Move the device quickly across your face, not staying in the same spot, not going over the same spot more than once. Following up with a toner and moisturizer, and make sure that you wash the cap after, and the disc, I believe, after each use. And you guys might be asking, why? Why, Asha? Why do you need to use this? Why do I need to use this? Why? One, look, for real, it's COVID, y'all. Okay, we have to take care of ourselves. This is self-love, self-care. I love myself. I do. I love my body, but I'm not going out there for nothing. Okay? So self-love, that's number 1. So that is one of the main things. Fine lines and wrinkles, adding some extra hydration in my skin during this colder season, and closing up some of these pores, because y'all can fall deep into these things. That is all I need to tell you, and I feel like now you are ready to move on to the part of the video that you came here for. So let's go. So before you get started, it's best to watch the video, which I have done already. Since this is my first time going through it with this machine, I figured that I will show you guys exactly what to do. So first you want to unscrew. Y'all, I have lotion on, so I can't get it. This doesn't look right. There we go. You want to unscrew it. And here's the filter, the black disc that's on the inside. This right here is the extra sensitive disc. And so you want to go ahead and try that first. So I'm going to go ahead and just screw this back on. And before putting it on my face, I'm going to try it on my arm. Didn't feel like anything, so I'm just gonna be a rebel and I'm going to change my disc. Ooh. I'm gonna put it on the first level since I'm doing the green disc, and let's see if I can get it. There we go. And I'm just gonna hold my skin or pull my skin a little bit taut. Maybe I should do this. I don't know. Let's try. Let's do this. Y'all, I'm a little bit nervous. I can't believe I'm doing it on 3. Okay. As you guys can see, there's some white film on my skin, and that's basically just the dead skin cells from my neck that came up. So that's nothing to be concerned about. You can just kind of dust it off, and that is it. Pretty easy. And that disc does not hurt my skin at all. Like, I don't feel any type of burn. There was no tugging on my skin. I should mention that I did feel a little bit of heat. Not that it was hot or burning or anything like that, but it is a machine and it is going at a high rate. And of course, it's against your skin. So I believe that's what I was feeling. yeah, that was actually pretty easy, pretty simple. Let me also note that you can only use this every 6 to 7 days. So that is what I am going to do, and I cannot wait to share with you guys with a follow-up video to see if there has been any improvement in my skin after using it about 8 to 12 times. After you do this, you want to follow up with a toner. So I am going to use one of my favorite toners, and that is the Laneige Cream Skin. It's a toner and moisturizer in one. Look at that, y'all. All that dead skin. So the texture of my skin is definitely much smoother than it was prior to. I can tell you that much. Right now, my skin playing games. But my skin's always playing games though. You know what I mean? See, there's still some areas that I need to work on, but that's because I need more. Water. I don't drink enough water. But other than that, we're gonna rock with this PMD clinical grade exfoliation vacuum. Yes, buddy. Okay. And if you guys are interested in following up and seeing how my skin takes to the PMD Microderm vacuum, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a video. And you guys, thank you for showing up and showing out. Always showing your girl love, no matter how long I've been away, baby. I appreciate y'all, seriously. Go ahead and leave your comments down below. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down below as well. And you guys will be seeing me soon. Okay? Love ya. Peace. Deuces. So that's why it's very important to make sure that you use the disc and you use them properly, because once